All right, boys and girls. So you're going to go ahead and open up your Inquiry Journal. That's the journal, that's your history book that you can write on, this the one with the soft cover. So let's go ahead and look at this page number 6. How do rules and laws help us? So we've been talking about how good citizenship help us all around in our community, but now we're going to focus on how do the rules and the laws actually help us and our community. Let's go ahead and listen. Lesson outcomes. What am I learning? You will explore how rules and laws help us. Why am I learning it? You will learn how rules and laws help groups of people live together. How will I know that I learned it? You will list rules and laws that help people stay safe and work together. Okay? Talk about it. Look closely at this student. What is she doing? What rule is she following? Hmm. Boys and girls, can you imagine if this little girl just ran the street without not following the rules, meaning she didn't look before she crossed and she just ran across the street? What do you think would happen? I want you to think about that. If you said she'd probably get ran over, you're most likely correct. She'd probably get ran over, or something probably would have happened to her when she was crossing the street because she did not look. Now, she's following the rules here. That means that she is waiting for this gentleman to help her cross the crosswalk, the street, and he's using a stop sign. Say he's telling all the cars that they need to stop. So this little girl is safe because she is following the rules. So rules essentially help us in being safe, right? Rules help us to be safe. Now I want you to think, um, why do you think you have rules or laws in our community? Why do you think that? I want you to think about um, having rules in our classroom. Why do we have rules in our classroom? Think about your classroom right now. Why is it that your teacher tells you to stay muted? Why is it that your teacher just tells you to stay muted at all times? I want you to think. If you said because your teacher wants to be able to hear all of you guys, that is correct. Imagine if everybody unmuted themselves and everybody was talking and everybody's background can be heard in the background. Would you be able to learn in that kind of environment? No, you will not be able to learn in that kind of environment because you need it to be quiet. If your teacher can't teach because there's so much noise and other people are making noise, then you won't be able to learn. So initially, rules and laws help us. Okay? So I want you to think about one rule you have in your classroom right now, in your virtual classroom right now, that help you learn. What is one rule that you have in your classroom right now that helps you learn? Go ahead and record your response.